Hello everyone, after downloading the CPLEX file, I opened the terminal and here type this command. Okay. Here let's choose the language. Number 2 is English language. And here we should choose number 1. Press enter, and here we should add the path. So continue based on this web page, copy the address, paste it here. But here we need to replace our username to the username here. Okay, let's type it. Press enter and here click yes. Press enter again. And again press enter to continue. It's installing. We should wait. Okay, here we should exit. And as you can see, the installation has been successfully done. So I press the enter to exit. And let's continue. We should open this file and add this address there. So open the new terminal and type the command. Here I face a problem, so let's check the problem and fix it. Okay, we should use this command. Copy this, paste it here and press enter. Okay, the file is open. At the end of the file we should add the address here, but pay attention, the username is your own username. So let's do that. At the end of the file I paste the address and I write my username here, save the file, close it, and then close the current terminal and copy this comment, open a new terminal, paste this comment here, and then type CPLEX. So the CPLEX IDE here is shown, and by typing the help command we can see the available instructions. Good luck.